Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. Again, this is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at a bunch of charts here, starting off with GE. And the goal here is to help you guys with some analysis, and also hopefully helping you guys learn and grow and get better as traders personally for your own trading here. And before we get started, what I want you guys to do is, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage of the website. And the goal here is just so you guys can get to know us better and see what we're all about. Check out the website, all that we have to offer, and most importantly, seeing what our current members are saying about the membership, because that's a key part about our service is our current members and keeping them happy and satisfied. And we have a big loyal following, and you can see that when you visit the homepage of the website and you get to know us. So in addition to that, when you sign up today at the end of this video, what you're getting is instant access to the profitable trading alerts that our current members get on a daily and weekly basis. That's why they're leaving us great reviews, is most importantly because of the trades that we're giving them in real time, delivered directly to their cell phone. This works, if you're trading from home, if you're trading from the office, if you're trading in the car. Just don't trade while you're driving. Got to pull over if there's an alert. But that's what you're getting as a member at thetradinganalyst.com. You're getting a great trading community, but most importantly, you're getting good analysis on the entire market every single week. And most importantly, the winning trade alerts delivered directly to your cell phone in real time for both the buy and sell alerts. So you're never going to miss a beat in the market ever again. And one quick thing here, guys, is we are raising the price here, coming up here pretty soon. And the reason we're doing that is because, we're getting we're growing, as a community here. We've been growing for a long time, but we're growing, a lot right now. And the reason we're raising that price is because we want to keep this community, a tight-knit community, because we want to be able to serve everyone at the highest level possible. And so yeah, if you're interested in joining the membership, I suggest that you do that today, before the prices go up, because you don't want to miss out or have to pay that higher price. So go ahead and join today while the prices are still very, very low. All right, so we're going to take a look at some charts here. We're going to start off with General Electric, and this is one that's been in the gutter for so long. Okay, if you look at this, we traded sideways here for several years actually, and then finally just broke down huge right here, all the way from 35 bucks all the way down to about 13-12 bucks, just kind of recently. But with that said, I think that things might be finally turning around here for General Electric. Now, I'm not calling for a recovery up to 32 bucks or anything like that. I'm just saying that I think that we can actually get a decent move to the upside here in the short term, maybe up to 17 bucks. And I'll go over exactly why. There's a couple of reasons why, okay? For one, we created this nice little base here, right here, sideways trading, and then we kind of broke out of that base right here. And then right here on this day, this was their reaction to earnings. All right, this is when they had earnings, and this is the first positive reaction to earnings that we've seen in years, okay, in years. This is a gap up on heavy volume. All right, so we've got that. Not only that, but if you look, this is the first time we've traded above and held above the 50-day moving average for more than just a day. You can see we kind of traded above it for 2 days right here before breaking back under. But right here, we've traded above it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days, including today. That has not happened since going back here to the end of 2016. All right, since the end of 2016. So the 50-day moving average is that red line right there. You know, and if you follow me or if you're a member, you know that I don't put a ton of weight on the 50-day moving average. I don't use it as really a support or a resistance. I just kind of use it as a trend indicator. Are we trending up? Are we trending down? And that's really it. Okay. You might disagree with that. It doesn't matter. There are a million ways to skin a cat and trade in the market. So that's how we use it here, and we're trading above it again for the first time in a couple years. So that's significant in and of itself. So we've got the 50-day moving average. We've got the high volume gap up on a positive reaction to earnings. And it's just, you know, this is a big company, General Electric here, and it's been trending down here. So it's due for some kind of a pop, all right? They're not going out of business. So there's that. And then, so that's 1, 2. We've got 50-day moving average. We've got a gap up on earnings. And then the third thing here that we're seeing, and this is just today, is this really nice reversal signal right here. And I cover this a lot if you've been watching these videos or if you're a member, is it's a 3-day pattern. So it starts with day 1. Day 1 it doesn't really need to be anything. It does help if it's a red day. But what's more important is the day 2 is a red day that closes below the low of day 1. All right. So day 2 closed below the low of day 1 right there, followed by a gap up and a close. This is day 3 now, today, where we closed over the previous day's high. So day 2 closed below day 1's low, followed by day 3 closing above day 2's high. All right. So basically it's just a washout low, quick, steady reversal right there. So that's what we're seeing here. For General Electric, it's this pattern here. That's the first thing. Second thing is the hold over the 50-day moving average. And then the last thing is that the gap up that we saw, positive reaction to earnings. So a lot of these things here, I think that are going to lead to an eventual move higher here for General Electric. The next one we're going to take a look at is Nvda. And Nvda here is one that I do think is going to head higher, and I'm going to point out exactly why. So if you look here, you know, this is first of all just a massive uptrend. Don't pay attention to all these lines. I got too many lines over here, but you know, focusing on the more recent action right here, we've got this major uptrend line that we bounced off of. Here, I'll show you where it started right here, going back to 2017, August, a bounce here, there, here, right there, right here, hammering off of it right here. So, you know, anybody can draw a line on the chart. What matters is price reacting to that level. And clearly you can see that price is reacting to that level. So clearly we reacted to that trend line here once again with a nice little reversal hammer. Another thing too is, remember that reversal pattern that we saw on General Electric? Well, it just happened right here on Nvda. Okay, day 1, day 2 closes below day 1's low, followed by day 3 closing over the day 2 high right there. So right there, we already saw that right here, and then right here, the next 1, 2, 3, 4 days is just trading sideways. So it's digesting the gains right here, consolidating sideways. Notice how we're not heading lower. We're holding these gains right here. All right, to me, this is bullish. And eventually it's going to head higher. You know, even if we do head lower, we've got this major support below us. We already got earnings out of the way for Nvda. So that's a positive. You know, it held up on earnings. It held up on the market downside that we saw. I mean, look at this. Nvda barely saw any red here when the market was really getting a beat down, and it's really held up. So just imagine if and when we get some kind of a move up in the market, you better believe that Nvda is going to be one of those stocks that's going to be leading the way. So definitely think that Nvda can head higher. The next one we're going to take a look at is Netflix. Netflix, same thing here. You know, we had earnings right here. This is the earnings reaction right there, positive earning reactions. And now we're just coming down to retest these areas. We don't have that quite that reversal pattern, but we do have, you know, a two-part of it with this hammer and then a close over the previous day's high. It's not quite as effective as the 3-day reversal pattern here, because this day 2 didn't close below the day 1 low, but nonetheless, you know, we did hammer and close over the previous day's high. And then if you look here, same as Nvda, we're just trading sideways, holding those gains. I think that, you know, given the fact that we had a positive reaction to earnings, and then we held up right here on this little breakout day, we're holding above the moving averages, we're holding above these major trend lines right here. I do think that Netflix is bullish here, and that most likely we'll get some kind of an upside move. Next, we're going to cover Amazon. Amazon, same thing here as Netflix, really. You know, we had a big gap up on earnings on heavy volume to new all-time highs, and we're really holding those levels. You know, we had this downtrend line that we broke over right here with this earnings day, and we're holding that right here. I think it's just a matter of time before Amazon kind of breaks higher. It's very bullish, and it's held up very well in any kind of a market downturn that we saw. And it's just a very overall bullish chart here. I mean, if you look at this, I mean, it's just one of the more bullish charts out there, and there's nothing. Most importantly, it had a positive reaction to earnings, to new all-time highs. You know, let's keep it simple. That's what we want to see, breakouts on earnings, especially, you know, when the market was kind of iffy. We're still getting breakouts on Amazon. So I think that Amazon is going to head higher as well. Apple, and really quick here, I want to touch on something. You know, if you're new to following me, you know that, or you may think that I'm just some bull, and I'm always bullish, but that is not the case. I'm very willing and ready to get bearish. I trade based off of you know, strategies and methods here. I don't base it off of anybody else's opinion or my own opinion. I stick to strategies and methods, and sometimes I'm bullish, sometimes I'm bearish, and typically I'm on the right side of the trade. Not always, but most of the time. And so, yes, I'm bullish right now, but I'm not a bull, I'm not a bear, I'm a trader, and I trade with the flow of the market, the direction that's going to pay me, and my paying members as well. So anyways, back to Apple here. We called for an upside move here with this 3-day reversal pattern right here. Here's that 3-day reversal pattern. Day 1, day 2 closes below day 1's low, followed by a close over the day 2 high on day number 3. We called for an upside move right here. You can go back and watch the video we did after this day, and you could have definitely used that information to profit nicely off of Apple's earnings. So I think we did this video, what is that, on April 30th, right there. So if you look back on the blog or the YouTube channel, if you're watching there, you can definitely see that video where we called for an upside move. So Now, moving forward with Apple, well, it's still very choppy action here. Very choppy action, and just a hard one to kind of trade unless you get that kind of reversal signal like that. But as far as where we're at right now, it's tough to say. We've got a lot of resistance above us. Previous all-time highs are right up here. And this is a place where we've gotten rejected before many, many times, right around this level, between about, I'll just lower this right here, right around here, about 177 to what is this up here? About 177 to 183 up here. This is an area where we've gotten rejected at several times before. I'm not saying that it's going to happen. I'm just saying it's something to be aware of moving forward on Apple. As far as the direction, again, we called for the upside move from this reversal day right here. But as far as where it heads right now, that's tough to say. It's very good that it reacted positively to earnings. That's bullish, obviously. And it broke out on heavy volume as well. We saw actually the last several days had heavy volume right there leading into that. So it's not just a one-off day. It's several days that we had heavy volume. So that is bullish reaction to earnings. Just got to be aware of this resistance that's just above us. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really hope that you learned a lot and that you're going to take some nice profitable trading ideas from this video. So if you like this video, which I'm assuming you did because you're here watching it until the end, then I can guarantee that you're going to love the membership and get a lot of benefit in both the form of knowledge and money in your pocket from these winning trade alerts when you sign up today to join that premium membership community. Because remember, when you do that today, you're gaining instant access to the profitable trading alerts for both the buy and sell alerts sent directly to your cell phone in real time. These videos are one thing and they're a great tool for success. And we have videos like them within the membership that really teach and go over our trades and everything like that. But the thing that, these free videos are missing is the trades. And these trades are sent directly to your cell phone so you can trade from anywhere and that you're never going to miss a beat in the market. Again, we're handling the analysis, handling the charts, handling the trades. All you got to do is open your phone and receive that text message for both the buy and the sell alerts. It's a great opportunity. And again, guys, if you do sign up today, you're getting in on that low rate because remember, if you wait to sign up, you're going to have to pay that higher price. And I want you guys to get in at this low rate. So go ahead, join today, and we'll see you on the other side of the membership.